You got a present in the mail from Aunt Jenny. Right here. It's a present from Aunt Jenny. Do you want it? Pull this. Pull the string. Pull it hard. You got it. All right. You can throw that away. I'll take it. Okay, that's not the present. Open it. It's upside down. No, it's not. Open it. Sorry. No, now it's upside down. All right, there you go.
I can't pull it.
Sure you can. Whoa! What is that? Randy, help her. What's that? The note?
No.
It's blue.
Okay, you dig in there for the present. I'll read you the note. Okay? It says, "Hi, Maddie. Justin Bieber wanted you to have this for when you go see his movie. Love, Jenny."
Justin Bieber.
Yeah!
Do you love it?
You can wear it to the movie? Yeah.
When are we going to see the movie?
Justin Bieber.
Maddie, sing a song for Aunt Jenny. I'm going to send it to her.
What?
Whoa.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Say, I will never say never. Yeah.
No. How about, you smile, I smell.
Can you say
Come
thank
on,
you?
sing.
Can you say thank you to Aunt Jenny? Look at the camera and say thank you, Jenny.
Thank you, Jenny.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it
I'm
on.
gonna look at the movie.
Yay! It's almost here. Are you excited?
Is this mine?
Yeah.
Maddie, are you the
It's
one
for
less
Aunt
lonely
Jenny.
girl? You're not the one less lonely girl? Is Justin Bieber your boyfriend? Then you're the one less lonely girl. Put on. Go ahead.
Put on.
After we did.
We're not going tonight, Goober. We're going on Friday.
Woo. Put on. It's a necklace. It's a Justin Bieber's necklace.
That's my
Can I
necklace.
see it?
That's my boyfriend.
Can I see it? Can I see my boyfriend?